well, let's we see something new and something special. All right, hello.
This is one of the particular project we can design of the community landscape. While this project sounds like the commercial combination level, which can include a landscape design for shopping town, hotel, commercial street to make them have enough the landscape and organize them well too. To try to let the people have enough place to rest, meeting, and with nice natural smell rather than the urban life. Like we mentioned at the beginning, we are always working for the harmony between human life, social works, natural feeling, and the rest, while it also must to be economic as well.
All right, thank you. So, like this guy mentioned, so our walking, even our landscaping and any